Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salsabila Bunga Dwi Pertiwi, study ID number 25411060 from the management program, class C. In this presentation, I will explain the demand and supply function. Let us begin. Demand and supply function. In Basini's mathematics, the demand function and supply function are used to analyze the relationship between the price of the product and the quantity of the product demanded or supplied in the market. Both are linear functions because they describe a relatively simple straight line relationship between two main variables, price P and quantity Q. The demand function shows the relationship between the price of a good P and the quantity of the good demanded QD by consumers. This relationship is negative in serve if the price increases the quantity demanded. This relationship is negative inverse if the price increases the quantity demanded decreases. If the price decreases, the quantity demanded increases. General formula Q D sama dengan A minus B P. Explanation QD sama dengan quantity demanded, P sama dengan price of the good, A sama dengan contest the quantity demanded when price sama dengan 0. B sama dengan coefficient indicates how sensitive demand is to price change. Example, suppose the demand function for a product is QD sama dengan 500 minus 20P. If the price increases by Rp1, the quantity demanded decreases by 20 units. If the price sama dengan Rp0, the maximum demand is 500 unit. Supply function. The supply function shows the relationship between the price of a good P and quantity of the good supplied QS by producer. This relationship is positive direct if the price increases, producer are willing to supply more goods. If the price decreases, the quantity supplied decreases. General formula QS sama dengan A plus BP, QS sama dengan C plus DP. Explanation QS sama dengan quantity supplied, P sama dengan price of the good, A or C sama dengan constants, B or D sama dengan coefficient indicates how much the quantity supplied changes when the price changes. Example, suppose the supply function of a product is QS sama dengan minus 100 plus 40P. If the price is Rp10, QS sama dengan min 100 plus 40 buka kurung 10 tutup kurung sama dengan 300. Market equilibrium point. Market equilibrium occurs when the quantity of goods demanded exceeds the quantity of goods supplied. QD sama dengan QS. At this point there is neither a surplus nor a storage of goods in the market, and the prevailing price is called the equilibrium price. Example problem given QD sama dengan 500 minus 20P, QS sama dengan minus 100 plus 40P. Find equilibrium price and quantity. Solution: set 500 minus 20pi sama dengan minus 100 plus 40pi. 600 sama dengan 60pi. PA sama dengan 10. Substitute into either equation. QA sama dengan 500 minus 20 buka kurung 10 tutup kurung sama dengan 300. Equilibrium price sama dengan 10. Equilibrium quantity sama dengan 300. Application in the business world. Business aspect application of demand and supply function. Pricing determining the optimal price to maintain stable sales in the market. Production strategy determining how many goods should be produced to avoid overstocking. Market analysis observing the impact of price change on the demand supply. Economic policy to analyze the effect of tax, subsidies, or regulation on the market. Conclusion, concave function characteristic, relationship, general formula. Demand function show the relationship between price and the quantity of goods demanded. Negative when price increases, demand decreases. Market equilibrium, the point where quantity demanded outweighs quantity supplied, determines the optimal price and quantity in the market. That concludes my presentation on the demand and supply function. I hope this material has been clear and useful. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.